What's good, boys? It is, as you saw in the beginning, 99 degrees. I am not gonna lie, that's like the one reason why we're in the car wash right now. If you didn't notice, we're in the car wash. At least I can take a shower and cool down. Brittany, she's just stuck under the sun, so we're at least gonna water her, cool her down a little bit. That is like the dumbest thing I was messing her on, but we are gonna water her a little bit, and then we're gonna get to today's video. I've been coming here way too often, to be honest. And to be honest, it's so hot, I'm probably gonna wash myself. Actually, look at the cool place that I just found. It's like behind this like warehouse, but it's so cool. And there's nobody here unless somebody's like staring at me with a camera on my face right now, but it's whatever. That looks so sick. Definitely gonna start coming here more. What's wrong with my driving? Before we get the install going, we gotta park. You guys already know where I work on all my cars. I really wish I had a garage, but this is the only thing I got. Perfect chat, boys. Alright, so as you boys saw in the title, today we're gonna be installing insanely good LED lights for the 370. Alright, so we're gonna be using the Lasfit Pro LED lights, and I got you bros though, I got you. They gave me a discount code for you guys. I was like, if I'm getting things like this, I gotta help the bros out. If it wasn't for them, this wouldn't happen. So you get 20% off if you put Danny Z for these bulbs. I think it's the Pro Series D2 LED light bulb. You gotta put Danny space Z for 20% off, and then you put Danny Z and Lasfit, and you get 10% off any other little bulbs that you want to have, like we're gonna do right now. It's really hot outside right now. Do I want to turn off the car and save gas, or do I want to leave it on and get AC? We're broke up here, so before we get into the headlight and change out the stock light bulb for the LED, we're gonna go into the interior and show you guys what I'm about to do. And I did take some before and after videos. Like yesterday at night, I filmed this car in the driveway and then with the lights on, and then today we're gonna film it at night in the same spot with the lights on and see the big difference. All right, so as you guys know, well, it doesn't even work. This one doesn't even work, but these are red. I cannot see anything here at night. Like, it's horrible. Like, if you want to drive at night, this much better. This sucks. First, gotta take this plastic cover off, and it's like right on there. Shouldn't be that complicated. I think I'm gonna stick something through here and then just pop it out. All right, so the first option was like the eyebrow blade thingy. Didn't work, so I recommend you guys use a knife. You basically stab the side right here, make sure you don't scratch your car, and you kind of just pull it, and then you just grab it with your hand. Oh, look how cool it looks. Look how cool it looks. But we're gonna take that off because it looks pretty bad. Guess you just pull it out like that. Yo, that is so much brighter. Absolutely love it. So now for the fun part. By the way, yeah, I had to go inside and get changed because I'm dying out here. First thing we gotta do is take off the bumper, but I'm gonna try my best to not have to take out everything all the way, because the undershroud is also attached in a very, very, very strange way. Engine bay looking clean. I can already take the headlight out right there. I just realized I forgot to show you guys something this video. The one thing we're changing, I haven't turned them on. Although, like I said, I had the before and after. I left my keys in here, oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on. I'm pretty sure you guys aren't gonna be able to see it, but either way. So this is what they look like now. You can see right there. You can see right there. But I'm mostly super excited for the night shots. Hopefully I can actually see in this car from now on at night. So now let's take off the headlight. First headlight out. There's so much sand all over my engine bay because I don't have the stupid undershroud and the fender liner. Now for the good stuff, for the good stuff, for the good stuff. Ooh. I don't even think you guys have seen it. Look how cool this looks. Look at this beast. And it has like a little air vent. Or this is so cool. Alright, for a better view on how to do it, I'm gonna sit right here in this chair, stare at the car, have the headlight over here, and start installing. So let's go back to the GoPro. Oh my gosh, we're getting wind. You just gotta twist it and then take it out. Then we get it. I really hope you guys were able to get everything from the GoPro, but I'm gonna give you a little brief explanation on what I just did. Basically, you gotta take off the old ballast, which is this right here. There's like a little screw. I don't know if you guys saw it. You unscrew that, then you put in the new ballast. I have to take this whole unit out. Basically, you just unscrew it here, take this off, and take this, which carries the old HID, just out through here. Then you put in the new bulb right there, which stays really tight. This cable goes connected to this big one right here, and then the other one that's on the bottom goes connected to the LED light. Super simple, honestly. It was more simple than I thought. And it looks so good. Like, it even has its own little fan in the back. Is that normal? So do not forget to take off like the rubber seal or whatever you would call it, like from this one. So you can see right there. Make sure you put that on the new ballast. Before we start bolting everything up though, let's even check if it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so sad. Please work, please work. This one definitely is a cooler color, more like a darker color than this one, as you guys can see through the camera. Oh, I really like this. Yeah. Oh, that looks so much better. And I think I forgot to mention, TJ uses these lights on the RX-7. Probably all his cars as well, but dang, I really like it, guys. Success. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other light. I don't think I'm gonna explain it because you guys already know how to do one. And then I'll catch you guys at night because I want to see the big difference. It is an oven in here. She's angry. She's just not like how hot it is. It is so nerve-wracking. Get out of here. They're on. It looks so good, boys. You can't really see it in the daytime, so I'm gonna see you guys at night, but it looks so much better. Super hyped, not gonna lie. Like, I don't know, it just makes the car, this is like those little things, those little details that just make the car look so clean and so much newer than it actually is. The install, 10 out of 10, super easy. I can't wait to see it at night though. I'll see you guys at night, 4 hours from now. But it's gonna be like a split second for you guys. Yeah. I feel like I waited for it to get way too dark. But, oh, I'm so hyped to see them. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone footage right now. This is the lighting with the OEM head bulbs. I'm gonna put up pictures in case this video is low quality, which it might be, but alright, now this is the footage from the camera, but it's mostly the same. You guys can see the line and just the color different. Look at this, look at this. That is crazy bright. Holy crap. And there we have the high beams right there. Wow, that is so bright. Looks like we're gonna start blinding people that are coming across. I'm just kidding, it's not that bright, but wow, it looks so much better. Oh, that looks so good, guys. See, like the color's way different. From them, I also got the license plate lights, if you guys have seen that. It looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more installs, let me know. I can kind of figure some things out, get new things on the channel, new installs. Even if it's something small like this, it makes a really big difference. If you haven't already, make sure you guys share with your friends. Leave a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe. Like, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing?